Hello guys, welcome to NameTech channel. My name is Nehemiah, and guys, I'm very glad to have you on board. Now guys, today we are going to talk about Python user input. So first of all, let's understand what is this user input. So basically guys, also Python allows for the user input. That means that we are able to ask the user for input. Now guys, the method is a bit different in Python 3.6 and then in Python 2.7. So like Python 3.6 uses the input method, and then on Python 2.7 uses the raw underscore input method. Guys, basically I wanted to show you here an example. Like I'm gonna give you an example that asks for the user to enter their base programming language, and then when they enter in that language, then it's gonna print it on the screen. Now guys, without much ado, let me just zoom in and show you the example. So like let me create this variable name like a language. Let me say language, then assign it to input. Input. Then in this input, guys, I'm gonna say what enter your base programming language. Enter your best programming language. Then let me create this colon, and then guys, in the next line of code here, I'm gonna add now this print function. Let me say print, and then here let me create this string, and let me say your best programming language. Language is, and then what I do guys, let me say first of all, let me say is, and then what I do, let me create a white space there, and then let me concatenate with we use the plus operator to concatenate, and then I'm gonna concatenate with the language. Now so guys, let me click on the shift plus F10, and then guys, you can see here at the terminal, you can see that we have here enter your best programming language. Now guys, let me add here my favorite programming language. Like let me just say Python. Python. Then I click enter, and then guys, you can see here they say that your best programming language is Python. So guys, basically this is what I wanted to show you, and please subscribe, like, and share this video to your friends. Until next time, goodbye.